Hey everybody, welcome back to Doug's Cars. Got a new place to take you today. This car used to have a car wizard in Kansas, and I found my own here. His name's Mike, in Sportscar Workshops. I'm here with Goldman. I would say you might recognize him from my Nissan Altima video, but you didn't see him because he was too busy being the cameraman, so yeah, thanks for that. But we're gonna go check his place out. There's some awesome stuff here. He has all kinds of cars around, and just see what he has going on, and he said that we'd be able to film there, and hopefully he'll let us put the car up on the lift and look underneath too. So thanks for watching. Here it's going in. It'd be really interesting to see what the underneath looks like for the first time too, because I've never seen that. Yeah, there's the offending wheel. That brake has been just getting super hot, and gonna find out what is causing it to stick, because they do have new rotors on them. Definitely got new rotors back in Kansas before I took the car. They do have a lot of cool stuff here.
This big blue diesel one.
Chick had a diesel one?
A diesel
Benz?
Benz, yeah.
No, I didn't live there then. Oh, yeah. So much fun stuff going on in here. So much fun stuff. Is it totally seized up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's 10 part.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Still spins.
No, it's not spinning at all. So it looks like they put new rear shocks on too, like real Sachs German shocks. Cool. I've never seen any leaks, although it looks like the bottom of the transmission's a little damp. I mean, I've not seen anything dripped in the driveway or anything like that. It's pretty clean to me. Even the power steering, wow, that's a first. It's got Bill Stein's on the front. Okay, well there's a little tiny weepage there, but
Yeah.
cool. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, mechanically the thing is, obviously I drove it over 2,000 miles back from Kansas without a problem, but I was just missing the underpan. Just a little bit of weepage there. Yeah, nothing leaking out there either. Nice. That was good to see. Man, you can still feel the heat coming off of these. It's not too bad, but yeah, these are like brand new. They still have the stickers on them. I knew there was some work done back here by the Wizard in Newton, but I wasn't sure what had been done. I actually need to call him and see if I can get the paperwork on this car and see what he has had done. Because, I mean, it's not like he has to redact Tyler's name from it, because I know who he is, and he knows who I am. I just now noticed that this rear trim valance has been screwed on with all these different screws. In one of Tyler's videos, he drove off on his road, where I drove this car too, that abandoned road, and this piece was missing, but when I got the car, the piece was on, so that's interesting. I mean, it's not like it's going to detract from the vehicle any. Alright, well, in true hoopty fashion, I'm going to let them figure out what the tab could possibly be, and I'm going to take a look around here and see what fun things they have going on. He's always got some great stuff here. Oh, you got the Dallas Benz with the rejection sticker. Somebody didn't pass inspection. This is old enough to get antique tags. Although I guess if you want to drive it every day, you shouldn't do that. Nice Landy. The Cinquecento. It's funny how much smaller this is than the modern one. I mean, I don't know if I can get them both in the same frame, but it's like 2/3 the height, maybe 2/3 the size. I don't know. Oh, that'll buff right out. Ah, yes. It's nice E30. Manual. Very nice. Looks like it's got the vinyl interior. 325i. Ah, that is a nice engine in that car. Oh yeah. The man would be proud of this one. So it's an automatic crank window car. But it does have the 6.6. And what you have to have, the Screaming Chicken on the hood. So I'm thinking this is probably my favorite vehicle on the lot, although there's a lot of cool stuff here. It's a right-hand drive Land Cruiser. I think it's a FJ45, but you can let me know if I'm wrong because I don't know everything about these. But oh, that's not an FJ. I think it's a BJ because it's a diesel, which makes it even more rare is that it's a diesel and it's the pickup, which I really think they never sold these in North America, or at least in the US. Maybe they did in Canada. But what a rare, cool vehicle that is. And he's definitely got this up on his website for sale. I will be linking to his website below in the description if you're interested. He's got a ton of stuff here that is for sale, not just being repaired. And definitely worth checking out. For nothing else than to look at the pictures of it and see how cool and rare it is. And here it is right alongside one of their racing cars, Mark II Jetta, next to a Royce in white with the beige Everflex top. Spirit of Ecstasy on the hood. And then also one of my favorite cars, a Shark 6 Series. I'm guessing, I can't tell from the wheels because they're later, that this is an M6. Let's see what it says here on the trunk. Nope. 635 CSI. These are neat cars. They've got the 4-seat interior package with like the refrigerated box in the center. Super power seats with like tons of control on them. Always liked this model. Ooh, Triumph. Punch buggy teal. Kind of ratty looking 944. It's not a turbo. Really needs some paint work. But it does have, looks like, it's hard to make out, with it does have the original like checker pattern seat upholstery in the middle. The Volvo P1800 in baby blue. It's an S. Maybe they all were S's, I'm not sure, but with some, it's like aftermarket kind of moon disc wheel covers. These are always a great design and made famous by Roger Moore before he was 007. Oh, here's another one where, yeah, that'll buff right out, I think. That's a Tavares build there. You can fix that. Other fun things. Ooh, I see a Rover P6 V8. What is this doing here? What is that? Ice alert. It's got some type of, I guess, temperature sensor, because that could be what that is. To let you know that it's going to be cold out, and you don't want to drive your British car because it won't start, because it'll be unable to. 260Z. Ah, an Alpha. GT? I don't think that's a V6. I think he said it was not a V6. There's Silver Benz. Another Tavares special over there, although none of these have caught on fire that I can see. And this is just a cool place to come spend some time. Just walking around looking at this stuff. Oh yes. Now these were sold here as Milanos, but they were 75s in the rest of the world, I believe. Always liked these. They're a bit unusual looking because the trunk is kind of oddly shaped, kind of makes it look like it was already rear-ended, but they were great cars. Oh, I see this one too. Time to just give it some antique tags. What is up with these wheels? These like totally corroded mag wheels on this XJ. It's funny. Ooh, I see an Austin Healey that needs some tires and wheels. What a nice paint color. It's obviously a 67. That is a really nice color. So 67 would have been one of the later models, so it was definitely a 3000. Yeah, Mark III. Okay, yep. Yep. That makes sense. I think they only made them till about 1970, 71, somewhere in there. We made it back into kind of the secret area here. They haven't broken through the wall yet. And there's just all kinds of cool stuff back here. This can't be a real speedster. This has got to be a recreation fiberglass. Let's see, what else do we have over there? 911 looks like an E-Type Jag, top down. A TR8, Lotus Elan. This is an Alpha race car. I don't know enough about specific models of Alpha from, like, I'm guessing the 60s to know what that is. But yeah, this is, and then there's some type of aluminum bodied something back there in the corner that looks like it might be Italian. Let's see if I can squeeze through here and get over there. Everything's kind of packed in. This is a Turner. Huh. This almost looks like an Ace body. It's not a Cobra. Alright, so that portion needs a wash job. So yeah, there's that. It's definitely like hand-hammered aluminium, but I have no idea what it is. And then of course the last of the Triumph TR convertibles, what they tried to make work in the US market by putting the Rover 3.5 liter V8 in there, which is the same engine that was in the P6 sedan outside, because we had such strict emission standards that their engines just didn't make any power. Hey, here's another one that's a Tavares special. He can do fiberglass work, right? Man, that needs a little help there. Couple of twin cam. Well, that one's obviously Lotus. Can't tell what this one is off the top of my head. I don't see any markings on it, but obviously with a nice gearbox behind it for a rear-wheel drive car. Anybody need any exhaust parts? This little blue Alpha. What a great color combination. I hope you can make it out through the reflections, but it's got like a oxblood red interior and this deep dark blue paint. And judging by the tag, it's a 67. There's an 80s model over there in the corner next to the Discovery with no motor, which is the ones I remember, but this is just the pure version of it. No electric windows, none of those things. Look at that interior, that's just amazing. Really, really nice. Alright, well, I got my invoice here. There's a few other things that could be done that I'm not going to do at the moment. Mainly suspension bushings, things that are not super important. Those brakes need to be replaced because they are not going to allow me to drive the car really anymore. But yeah, there's quite an amount of work that can be done, as with any hoopty. Definitely the automotive masochist that Tyler Hoover says that I am, but I'm in good company, as he is too. Thanks for watching Doug's Cars. Please like, share, subscribe, and help me keep this channel going. Help me maybe pay this bill too. Thanks.